What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Next up for this morning is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH, the cryptocurrency, you guys. Man, this thing is just going wild, bro. We're up almost 4%, you guys. I'm on the daily time frame. This is basically the higher time frame, so it allows us to see the overall direction and the picture that our stock is in. So let's go ahead and dive in. So right now, I just want to say to you guys, there's not much technical analysis needs to be applied to actually see what's going on. We're obviously way overextended, you guys. If you look, we're on the daily time frame, like I said. So each of these candlesticks represent a day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 candlesticks and a parabolic move. Okay, so usually when you have a parabolic move in either direction, you're gonna have another one. So what does that mean? So more than likely we'll have a smooth retracement or parabolic move back down. Not all the way. We may have a 50% retracement, but as of right now, getting in at this moment in time, with us being up 10 candlestick, the highest it's ever been. If we look left, there's nothing for this to work as resistance. This is all void up here. So this is why this was such a smooth retracement up, you guys. There's nothing to the left of it to work as prior price action movement or resistance. So, but as of right now, like I'm saying, we're starting to pull back even a little bit on the daily time frame. If I go on the 1 hour, you guys will be able to see that clearly. We can see that we have this bottom topping tail right here, and it's kind of consolidating, starting to go a little bit under the trend line, but back on the daily, we're obviously way above that. But as of right now, the ideal entry, you guys, that I can see as of right now is our previous resistance that was back down here. You can see we had resistance in this area. On the opposite side, it worked as a floor, which initially caused this bounce. Would be back here at the $2,500 level, or you could have it around maybe the $2,600 level. Either of those would be the ideal entries, but getting in way up here, you guys, is super dangerous. You know, you're not going to run you're not going to run a marathon and take a 15-minute break and then continue your marathon, you guys. And obviously this hasn't even taken a break yet. It's just been straight pumping and pumping and pumping. So getting in right now that would be pure FOMO. Like, if you got in right now, you would be the definition of the fear of missing out. Okay, the only thing you're missing out of this right now is going to be the pullback. Okay, so what we need to do is stay calm and collect and wait for the best ideal entry. You know, I could pull my 2-year-old daughter over here and show her this, and she would say that is not a good idea to get in right now. It looks like a tower about to fall. Okay, not saying that this is gonna crash or create new lows or anything like that. I'm just saying, as of right now, with looking at this specific chart, you can clearly see that this is overextended, you guys. If there was an RSI for this, I mean, it would look crazy. So the ideal entry, like I said, would probably be back down here at the $2,500 level or the $2,600 level. Either way, both of those would be good ideal options to get back in if you did miss the initial rocket, you guys. Other than that, it's good to see that, you know, Ethereum is finally taking a hold of, you know, compared to Bitcoin and all these other cryptocurrencies. You know, I think it's doing very well. This is probably the only crypto that I personally like a lot. I'm starting to look at Dogecoin a little bit. I did make a video about that this morning, and I was gonna trade it this morning, but I want this to pull back at least down to the 33-cent level before I get in. That'd be my ideal entry for that one. If you want to check that out, you can. But as of right now, like I'm saying, it is super extended, you guys. Be very careful on the decisions that you make. Okay. And this is why we always apply multiple time frame analysis. Sometimes we do apply fundamentals, but not always. We only usually do that if there's an earnings report, like over here with AMC. They have an earnings report on the 6th. So, but other than that, I like to make these fast and efficient, you guys, just to kind of give you an idea of what you're looking at. If this did help in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content Monday through Friday for you guys. Other than that, stay tuned for later today when I go live to go trade. I may not go live, excuse me. I might do a pre-recording. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.